I made over $2 million in passive income by selling just a simple product on Amazon FBA. And if you want to make a second income on Amazon, or even build a 6 to 7 figure business like Travis Marziani, AJ, or Brett, one of the keys to success for selling on Amazon is finding the right manufacturer to manufacture your product. So you found the product that you want to sell, but now you need to find the right manufacturer. Just make sure to pay attention, because you need to know if you want to sell on Amazon, there are specific products that can only be made using specific manufacturers. And I'm going to show you how to find the right manufacturer for your Amazon FBA product in 5 minutes. And to prove it to you, let's start the timer. To get your product manufactured to sell on Amazon, there are 3 different ways for you to easily find the perfect manufacturing partner. And there's also a secret 4th way that I'm going to reveal in this video. And after developing my product and selling online for the past few years, I know this is actually the easiest and fastest way to sell your premium product online on Amazon. Now, the first way to find your manufacturer is the way that most sellers also find a manufacturer, and that's by using Alibaba. Alibaba is the biggest marketplace for finding products overseas. Alibaba connects sellers with thousands of manufacturers all across the world: China, Hong Kong, Korea, Japan, the Netherlands, Germany, all around Europe, and even Australia and New Zealand. So just go to Alibaba.com and we'll type in the type of product that you're looking for. As an example, I created Potty Time Adventures to help toddlers with potty training. At the time, I was struggling to potty train my daughter Ruby. She wasn't motivated by any of the standard rewards, but she loved surprise unboxing toys. So I came up with the idea to combine a potty training chart with an advent calendar, hiding little rewards, wood blocks for instance, behind little doors. So I'm already selling Potty Time Adventures, but let's type in potty training as an example. And you can see that they have thousands of results. Now, there's one type of product that you should never get made with any manufacturer on Alibaba, and I'll reveal that in just 1 second. But the first thing to do on Alibaba is to come over here and click Trade Assurance. And the second thing to click is on Verified Suppliers. Trade assurance means if anything goes wrong, Alibaba can help protect your money. And verified supplier means that somebody from Alibaba has actually gone to the factory and they check out the quality and make sure that everything is above board. So you can feel safe with these suppliers and manufacturers here. The key thing to remember here is to talk to as many manufacturers as possible, at least 20 to 30 manufacturers. Pick your top 3 based on customer service, pricing, and their ability to meet your needs. Once you've picked your top 3, the next thing is to order samples and then pick your number 1 based on the quality of the sample. I learned all about this process through experience and by mentors such as Travis, which is something he teaches in his Amazon FBA program. It's the exact same process that another student like AJ over here, he found a supplier on Alibaba for his cocktail flashcard recipes, which made over $500,000 in sales in just the first year. It's important to keep in mind when searching for manufacturers to find ones with really good ratings. And I would also make sure that they've been in business for a long time, because that means they're reliable. Just click their profile and read any reviews. Reviews are a great way to see what they're like to deal with. So this supplier, for instance, has a 5-star rating, so I would just click Send Inquiry. You need to contact the manufacturer about details about the product that you want to make. You'll also ask for lead time and MOQ, which stands for minimum order quantity. That means what is the least amount of quantity that you need to order from them. And you'll ask how much that order will cost. Just keep in mind, when you raise the quantity, the order price gets lower and lower. Now, before I tell you the second way to find a manufacturer, I want to reveal the product you should never have made overseas, and that's consumable products. Anything you eat or drink or that your customers will consume, I would advise to have made in the US. That way they comply with the health and safety standards. And if anything goes wrong, you know you have a US-based company that you can talk to. Travis recently had his carnivore electrolytes made in the US, and he's never had any issues. And in fact, this simple product has made over $100,000 in just 6 months. So let me help you find your US-based manufacturer right now. There are 2 ways to find them. The first way is to go to ThomasNet.com. And when you go to ThomasNet.com, it's going to look very similar to Alibaba.com. Type in what you're looking for and you'll get a list of suppliers. So let's type in a consumable product that could go along with the toddler line, and let's type in fruit puree. All here, these manufacturers are located in the US. But now all these manufacturers are not going to be a perfect fit. So pay attention as you scroll through them. Just click one and see what they create. This one makes fruit puree, and you can see that it's a ThomasNet verified supplier. So I have a very good reason to trust them. So click Contact Supplier, and I would fill in these details here, like fruit puree for toddlers, and then add more information down below. When you're looking for your new manufacturer with ThomasNet and Alibaba, you should create a spreadsheet to keep track of who you contact and what their MOQ is and how long production will take, and any details you need to help plan your production. This productivity hack can keep you organized and save you a lot of time. Now, this way to find your manufacturer is something that most sellers on Amazon don't even think about, and it's right in front of your face. Just go ahead and use Google. All you need to do here is type in what you're looking for and then space manufacturers. We'll do fruit puree and search, and Google will give you pages and pages of manufacturers that you can contact. Just go to their website, read a little bit about them, and they'll have a contact button. This one, for instance, was right at the bottom, and they have a pretty straightforward contact form. Just look around and see if they have good potential to be a great manufacturer for you. But the fourth and last way is the most powerful way to find a manufacturer, and it's to use this spreadsheet, which shows you the direct contact of every manufacturer and supplier that Travis and 2,000 students have used and verified. This is the best way because you know that these manufacturers are trusted, reliable, and make premium products. And I actually did the same thing. I had a friend who knew a manufacturer that they trusted, and they got me in contact with that factory. And to get access to this spreadsheet, just click the link below to get on the wait list. Because you only have access to this if you're part of Travis's Amazon FBA program. And inside the program, you'll actually get over 100 step-by-step tutorials about selling and succeeding on Amazon. It also includes weekly Q&A calls, 2 coaching one-on-one sessions, and so much more. So if you're ready to start your own Amazon business, click on the link below to join the waitlist. If you're not quite ready for that, there's a 12-hour Amazon tutorial that is completely free. Just click right here, and thank you for watching.